Today we're showing you a 2024 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 500M quick attach front loader. Tractor is rated at 75 horsepower, has 410 hours. Very sharp tractor. The loader is new on this tractor. We installed this loader to the tractor. Has the global style hookup here for your bucket connection. Bucket is new as well. Again, tractor has 410 hours. It's practically a new machine. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Tires are excellent. Complete 3-point with top link and drawbar. Single rear SCV back here. Speed powered reverser transmission, allows direction changes with or without clutch. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into March of 2029. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.